Department of Computer Engineering and Information Technology. We are from Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic, Chitwara. Semester 3rd. Subject CGR. Subject code 22318. Subject coordinate Mrs. Anita Shirture. Chapter 1. Basic of Computer Graphics. This chapter is given for the 8 marks. In previous lecture, we discussed about the learning outcome of this video. Display devices. Display devices are designed to model, display, view or the display information. The purpose of the display technology is to simplify information sharing. There are some display devices are given here. First is Chapter 1. Basics of Computer Graphics. Display devices. The display device is an output device used to represent the information in the form of images or the visual form. Display systems are mostly called the video monitor or the video display unit, VDU. The display device is used to output device in a graphics systems. It's a video monitor. Student, everyone knows the CRT. CRT, that means the cathode ray tube display. It is a technology which is used in the traditional computer monitor and television. Cathode ray tube is a particular type of a vacuum tube that displays the images when an electron beam collides on the radiant surfaces. The components of the CRT is the electron gun, focusing and accelerating anodes, horizontal and vertical deflection plates, phosphorus coated screens are there. In electronics gun is made up of the several elements, mainly a heating filaments and a cathode. The electron gun is a source of electrons focused on a narrow beam facing the CRT. The focusing and accelerating anodes. These anodes are used to produce a narrow and the sharply focused beam of electrons. The horizontal and vertical deflection plates. These plates are used to guide the path of the electron the beam. The plates produce an electromagnetic field that in previous slide we discussed about the CRT display device. In CRT cathode ray tubes, the components are the electron gun, focusing and accelerating anodes, horizontal and vertical deflection plates and phosphorus coating screen. In this, there are the two ways to represent an object on the screen, the raster scan and random scan. This technique is for the scanning. Now, in briefly we discuss about the raster scan display. In raster scan, the electron beam from electron gun is swept horizontally across the phosphor 1 row at a time from top to bottom. The electron beam sweeps back and forth from left to right across the screen, and the beam is on while it moves from left to right. The beam is off when it moves back from right to left, and this phenomena is called the horizontal retrace. As soon as the beam reaches the bottom of the screen, it is turned off and rapidly retraced back to the top to start again, and this is called the vertical retrace. Raster scan display maintain the steady image on the screen by repeating scanning of the same image. This process is known as refreshing of screen. And shortly, it is a scanning technique. Figure shows the raster scan CRT. The horizontal retrace, vertical retrace, and scanning lines are here. When the beam starts from top left corner and reaches the bottom right and again return the top left is called as the vertical retrace, and it will back from top to bottom more horizontally as a horizontal reverse. Next is the random or vector scan display. In random scan display, electron beam is directly onto the areas of a screen where a picture has to be drawn. It is called vector display. As it draws pictures on one line at a time. It can draw and refresh component lines of a pictures in any specified sequence. Pane plotter is an example of random scan display. It is also known as the stroke writing display or calligraphic display. In this, the electron beam points only to the area in which the pictures is to be drawn. It uses an electron beam like a pencil to make a line image on the screen. The image is constructed from a sequence of straight line segments. On the screen, each line segment is drawn by the beam to pass from one point on the screen to the another. Where's it? X and Y coordinates define each point. The number of lines the difference between raster scan display and vector scan display. In vector or random scan display, the beam is moved between the endpoints of the graphics primitives, and raster scan display, the beam is moved over the screen, one scan line at a time, from top to bottom and then back to top. The second difference in the vector display flickers when the number of primitives in the buffer becomes too large. Second, in raster display, the refresh process is independent of the complexity of the image. Third difference is the vector display. Scan conversion is not required. And in raster scan display, the graphics primitives are specified in terms of their endpoints and must be scan converted into their corresponding pixels in the frame buffer. The fourth vector scan display. The scan conversion hardware is not required. And in raster scan display, because each primitive must be scanned and converted, real-time dynamics is far more computational and requires the separate scan conversion is hard. In vector scan display, draw a continuous and smooth lines In raster scan display. Raster scan display mathematically smooth lines, polygons. Next is flat panel display. It is a television, monitor or other display appliance that uses a thin panel design instead of a traditional cathode ray tube. These screens are much lighter and thinner and can be much more portable than the traditional televisions and monitors. They also have higher resolutions than older models. It is generally known as FPD, the flat panel display. Is such a display technology which overtakes the cathode ray tube as a new standard of computer desktop. Unlike monitors through the advantages of the flat panel devices. The flat panel devices like LCD produces the high quality digital images. The monitors are the stylish and have very space saving the design. And flat panel devices consume less power and give the maximum image size in a minimum space. Next is the flat panel devices use it full color display capability. And last advantages of the flat panel devices is the full motion video can be viewed on flat panel devices without artifacts or the contrast loss. In previous slide I said they are divided into two parts. Now let's see the liquid crystal display, that is the LCD. LCD consists of a layer of liquid crystal sandwiched between the two polarized plates. The polarized are aligned perpendicular to each other so that light incident on the first polarization will be blocked by the second. The LCD displays are addressed in a matrix fashion. Rows and columns are defined by a thin layer of vertical transparent conductors. The intersections of the two conductors define a pixel's position. Now, next is we will see how LCDs are constructed. Figure shows the LCD display. Simple facts that should be considered while making an LCD. The basic structure of the LCD should be controlled by changing the applied current. We must use polarized light. The liquid crystal should be able to control the both of the operations to transmit or can also able to change the polarized light. As mentioned, that we need to take the two polarized glass pieces filter in the making of the liquid crystal. The glass which does not have the polarized film on the surface of it must be rubbed with a special polymer that will create a microscopic grooves on the surface of the polarized glass filter. The grooves must be in the same directions as the polarized film. Now, we have to add a coating of photometric liquid phase crystals on one of the polarizing filters of the polarized glass. The microscopic channel causes the first layer molecule to align with the filter orientations. When the right angle appears at the first layer piece, we should add a second piece of glass with the polarized film. The first filter will be naturally polarized as the light strikes it at the starting stage. The light travels through each layer and guided on the next with the help of a molecule. The molecule tends to change its plane of vibrations of the light to match its. Next is light emitting diode. LED is a device which emits when current passes through it. It is a semiconductor device. The size of the LED is small, so we can easily make any display unit by arranging a large number of LEDs. LED consumes the more power compared to LCD. LED is used on TV, smartphones, motor vehicles, traffic light, etc. LEDs are powerful in structure, so they are capable of withstanding mechanical pressure. LED also works at high temperatures. In LED, a matrix of diodes is organized to form the pixel positions in a display, and picture definition is stored in a refresh buffer. Data is read from refresh buffer and converted to voltage levels that are applied to the diodes to produce the light patterns in the display. LED. The next, plasma display and touchscreen. In a plasma display, it is a computer video display in which each pixels on the screen is illuminated by a tiny bit of plasma or charged gas, somewhat like a tiny neon light. Plasma displays are thinner than cathode ray tube displays and brighter than LCD. Plasma displays are sometimes marked as a thin panel display and can be used to display either analog video signals or display modes digital computers input. Touch screen. Some MCQs of this video. The first is, which of the following statements best defines scan conversion? The first option, the process of digitizing a known picture definitions into a set of pixels intensity for storage in the frame buffer. Second, encoding the pixels into bits. Third option, converting the drawable image into a graphical image. Option D, none of the above. Student, think about these questions and give the answer, but I have given the answer is following. The first answer is answer A, the process of digitizing a known picture's definitions into a set of pixels intensity for storage in the frame buffer. Question second. LCD monitors often have a smaller refresh rate than. Regarding LCD monitors, LCD display, CRT monitor, I have discussed in the previous slide. So think about that and give the right answer. The option is the CRT monitor. Question third. Display of sequence of images at some speed to create an impression of movement is called. The first option, computer graphics. Second option, computer slideshow. Third option, computer video. And fourth option is the computer